Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the afternoon weather briefing video. This is Friday, the 8th of July. I'm James Spann, getting set into a weekend here. And the good news, the heat levels are going to be coming down. Next week, on many days, we're going to see highs under 90. And that's certainly a good thing. Let's start with the upper air look, and it's the same old story. We've got this upper high on top of us, but with time, the core of that upper high will be shifting off to the west. And that should allow for lower heat levels in here beginning really Sunday and through much of next week, and we'll certainly take that. Here's a look at the visible satellite view across the deep south today. And again, we've got pockets of convection, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Underneath that, here's the radar composite about 2 o'clock, and you can see some of the heavier storms across the central counties of the state. Clanton over toward Lake Martin, Alexander City, Lafayette, but other scattered showers could form anywhere through the evening hours. Heat levels about where they've been this week, mostly low and mid-90s. We note Cullman at 88 because of nearby showers, Birmingham at 94. And around the region, once again, the winner of the heat parade, Memphis, Tennessee. They have hit 100 today. Here's a look at the various advisories across the Deep South because of the hot weather. We have a heat advisory for the counties in orange, and that's where the heat index might be touching 105 today. And up in the northwestern corner of Alabama, the counties in purple, that is an excessive heat warning. That's where the heat index might touch briefly 110. And you can see those advisories stretch all the way from parts of Texas and Oklahoma over into parts of the Carolinas today. Here's a look at the severe weather risk for the rest of today and tonight. Kind of a snaky-looking zone there from Montana down across parts of the southeast. In Alabama, we have a level 1 out of level 5 marginal risk for north and east Alabama. The areas in darker green, there could be a wet microburst or two in there this evening. That's local areas of strong straight-line winds. Here's a look at the risk tomorrow. And much of the southeastern states in a marginal risk, and that includes all 67 Alabama counties tomorrow. And understand, still, it's not going to rain everywhere, but there should be an increase in the number of showers and storms. And where they do form tomorrow afternoon, they could be quite strong. And then day 3 on Sunday. No organized severe weather expected around here, but again, we certainly could see scattered showers and storms. Rain for the next 7 days. Numbers are going up here. Amounts really anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. And, of course, your number is going to vary because of the uneven distribution of the showers and thunderstorms this time of the year. Tropical weather scene still very quiet. That's the 2-day outlook, and this is the 5-day outlook from NHC, the National Hurricane Center. No tropical storms or hurricanes expected through next week. So again, let's look at the upper air situation. Here we are today. This is tomorrow, coming off the GFS model fans, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4, and we've still got the ridge nosing in here. So we'll be above 90 again tomorrow, low to mid-90s, and we'll see scattered storms about. But let's go out a week from today, and you can see the difference. The core of the upper high is off to the west. And again, that should allow for lower heat values next week. And again, many days we'll see highs under 90, below average. We'll certainly take that. This is precipitable water, and I think this is the best way of looking at rain chances. And again, down here across the Deep South, we just don't dry out. We've got the shades of yellow and the shades of maroon in there. That represents again, the high precipitable water values, and every day we'll have a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Rain for the next 15 days coming off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches. And again, look at the numbers coming down next week. We're going to be in the 90s again tomorrow, maybe mid-90s, kind of like today. But then the NBM, the National Bend Models, with 89 on Sunday, and next week, mid to upper 80s. And there's going to be somebody that'll hit 90 probably, but we're certainly moving in the right direction with the core of that heat moving off to the west for just a little bit. We all know that August is coming, and typically that does feature the hottest weather of the year. So that's it for this afternoon update. Going to run down to the World Games. I'll be doing the weather live on ABC 3340 from near Protective Stadium downtown this evening. Hopefully we won't have a storm during the middle of that, but it's always possible this time of the year. But watch us this evening. We'll be on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. As always, notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.